Yeah, my name's Robert, and I live in the St. Petersburg, Tampa Bay area of Florida. I had a friend back in 2006 that had a custom home built in Albuquerque. And the first time he invited us over to their house, they kind of gave us a tour. And as we were walking through their house, he took me to their laundry room, and I saw this little tiny appliance that I didn't really recognize. And I asked him what it was, and it turns out that it was a WaterBoss water softener. When we moved here, like I said, we moved here from Albuquerque, and I didn't realize how hard the water was here in the Tampa Bay area. But there's a couple things. It's got kind of a sulfurous smell, and it's really, really hard. And so we lived in this house for a couple of years before we decided to put the water softener in. And before we actually had it installed, I was, buying a lot of products to help improve the water quality. One of the things I was buying was sodium tripolyphosphate, and we were adding it to both our clothes washing, our laundry detergent. We'd supplement our laundry detergent with it. We'd also supplement our dishwashing detergent with sodium tripolyphosphate to try to overcome the hard water issues that we had. And since we got the WaterBoss installed, I haven't had to supplement the or condition the water to improve the cleaning performance. There's a lot of things that I really like about the WaterBoss. First of all, is just the size has always impressed me about how small it is, and how efficient it is, for the size that's given, that we get whole home softening out of such a small unit. The other thing that I've always really liked about the WaterBoss compared to my previous water softener is the demand-based regeneration. It seems to go through a lot less salt than the previous unit that I had. Oh, absolutely. Definitely recommend the WaterBoss. I've actually told my parents about it, that it'd be a great water softener for them to add to their home. And, I couldn't recommend it more highly.